It's day 3, Saturday, September the 5th. It's my son Ryan's birthday. Happy birthday, Ryan! John's still in bed sleeping. He's being a sleepyhead. Got the fire going. Got down to like 44 last night. I'm gonna try to make some biscuits and gravy this morning. I'm gonna use that Dutch oven to make the biscuits. Gotta get some hot coals going. Got coffee percolating over there. Let's walk over and take a look and check on it. I got it percolating. Let's see. Oh yeah, we got a good slow perk going. Went out to Fishtails last night. Had a beer and a sandwich with our friends. Sit back down here. Get that fire going. Gotta get those hot coals. We bought some instant gravy packet. I'm gonna try it. It's supposed to be sausage flavored. I didn't feel like packing sausage, so we're gonna do it the cheapy way. Gonna cheat with a package instead of making it from scratch like I usually do. It was just easier to carry less stuff. I did bring eggs, but I don't know if we're gonna have eggs this morning. I think we're just gonna have biscuits and gravy. Sun's shining bright. It's a beautiful day. We're gonna probably head out to Dora Lake today and do some fishing. Did great last night with our bluegill, or yesterday's bluegill fishing was fantastic. We limited out on our bluegill, and we even got a couple of perch. Ended up with 40 bluegill. This is awesome. Which is the limits. We limited out. We got them bagged up over in our friend's house, freezing up for the trip home. We are going to have a fish fry, but I don't want to take a few fish home, store in the freezer for the winter. We don't get no ice fishing where we are at. Usually doesn't get a thick enough coating of ice on the lakes to do that kind of thing.
Already had my cup of coffee.
Up there. I get me a cup of coffee.
Ooh, it looks like it's got grounds in it today.
Oh, sorry, you might get a little bit faster perk on it.
There it is. Nice hot cup of coffee. And a little morning setup. Take you guys down and show you the lake this morning of our day 3. I believe this is day 3. Did good fishing yesterday. I'm sure you guys saw that. Hopefully we do good today too. I'm gonna go in a certain spot today and try some perching. Well, the lake don't look too bad today. Looks like a shimmering diamond. The sun is bright. Keep running all these cobwebs. Every morning I come down here and I gotta run into cobwebs like crazy. There's a view from here. Look at that. Hot cup of coffee and a nice view. Oh look, there's a monarch. Hello there, monarch. Hopefully you're getting her on camera, or him. That's a big one. Look at there. I think that one there just hatched out. It's about that time of the morning when they hatch. But there's a lake. Like I say, it looks like a shimmering diamond. It's pretty. We might fish this lake. I don't know. We should try it. Heard there's big bluegill in here. and big northern. And all the times I've been up here, I've never seen nobody fishing it. Yep, that's the lake this morning. It's pretty. I want to see how close I can get to this monarch before he takes off. I just want to see. Not gonna hurt you. There's also a bumblebee on the top. Making gravy.
Yeah.
It
Gravy is done.
Now hopefully our biscuits are done.
It's a little on the runny side, but not too bad.
It's alright. It'll thicken up as it gets cooler.
It down
It's
a
really
bit.
hot right now. Oh yeah, they're done.
Oh, they're done.
Yep,
Oh
they are
yeah,
done.
nice.
Look at that.
Woohoo!
Look at those. Those are nice and toasty.
Biscuits.
Biscuits on our gravy. Our gravy on our biscuits. Alright, you can set that on the ground. Oh no. Careful we don't knock the pot over. If it was me, I'd done knocked the pot over and the biscuits have been upside down in the fire. Oh, that's our biscuits.
Woohoo!
Well, folks, there it is. Biscuits and gravy. How sweet. It turned out really good. Bottom of the plate is like burning my fingers, so yeah. That is the end product. They did turn out really good. The sun's shining today. I got to remember to stay toward the sun instead of away from it. But they do look good. We're going to eat, and then we're going to go get some bait for fishing, and we're going to hit the lake. Here we are. We're cruising through. Yeah, I think that one there is. Cruising through the river. Trying to catch some fish. So far, no luck. But we did just start.
He is mad, angry fish.
Yeah, he is.
Maybe a little hammer handle.
Yep, northern.
I guess.
Oh man,
There you
freaking things biting me on the freaking feet too.
Oh, flies.
Yep.
Man, he come out of nowhere. Wham!
Dang it, fly. Ugh.
Oh crap. Hold on. There we go. Got it.
There he is.
On a jig head minnow.
Yep. He's too little to keep.
Nailed that sucker.
Oh, there's almost dropped my rag.
Drag went.
You wasn't expecting that one, was you?
Nope, I watched the flash come out of nowhere.